Flanged ball valves are engineered for reliable shutoff and smooth operation in demanding pipeline systems. In this display, I-Flow flanged ball valves feature precision machine balls, robust bodies, and tight sealing performance ensuring durability, low torque operation, and long service life across water, HVAC, and industrial applications.
Qingdao I-Flow Company Limited is a trading company based in Qingdao, Shandong, specializing in valves, strainers, flanges, pipe fittings, and fire hydrants. We boast strong manufacturing capabilities with a production facility covering 2,000 square meters. Our team comprises 50 dedicated employees, including many outstanding R&D engineers who continuously drive product innovation. Equipped with 8 CNC lathes, 20 conventional lathes, and 12 vulcanizers, as well as 4 testing equipment, 10 laser marking machines, 4 electric forklifts, and 10 air compressors, and other supporting equipment, we ensure precise, efficient, and smooth production. Our full production process includes casting, lathing, drilling, grinding, painting, and assembly. We provide extensive customization services and can launch new products within a short lead time. Our 5 professional quality control inspectors implement strict QA and QC standards to guarantee product excellence. With 20 years of industry and export experience, we have a strong annual production capacity serving diverse markets, including the Americas, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We cater to retailers, engineers, wholesalers, manufacturers, and brand owners, and offer a 12-month warranty on all products. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is unwavering. Qingdao Fudong Industry and Trade Company Limited holds multiple authoritative certifications, including WRAS certification, CE certification, and ISO certification, fully demonstrating our industry recognition and persistent pursuit of excellent quality.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.